Yeah, my name is Michael Kuhl. I'm studying mechanical engineering, and this is my thesis project, which is a locker mechanism. So it's a satellite, a payload that will go to space, and then has the capability to assemble other satellites while on orbit. So it houses these modules, which are sub-U components that can come together and make up CubeSats, which are then deployed and operate as independent satellites on orbit. Yeah, so this is a project that's ongoing at MIT based out of one of their laboratories called StarLab. The PI is Carrie Krahoy and my advisor is James Dingley, and they were great on letting me come on board and look at will this payload survive the conditions of launch. So this is an awesome project that's ongoing, but we need to get it to space, and so how do we make sure it can survive being on a rocket and going through the treacherous conditions of launch? It was incredible. There's an incredible team of Harvard staff through the ES-100 class itself, people in the machine shop, classmates. Everybody's super supportive in kind of helping each other arrive at their final design solutions. It's a daunting task finishing a thesis and this ES-100 project, but I had an incredible network of people supporting me, and being able to work on something that may go to space at some point is very exciting. And there's a lot of purpose behind it. So yeah, it was a great experience overall. After Harvard, I got into MIT through a Space Force scholarship. And so I'm going to be working in the same lab that is working on this project. And so I'm very excited to be there pursuing a master's degree for the next 2 years before I continue my service in the Space Force.